I will heal the world through the divine mercy of Jesus Christ and the perpetual help of the Mother of all, the Blessed Virgin Mary. When Jesus Christ was pierced by the lance of selfishness, our water flowed the stream of compassion. Be on board on the ark of salvation, the MVP prepared for the end times. A city on the mountain is the good news to all creations, written by St. Matthew for all seen and unseen. We are the light of the world that are not hidden anymore to keep praising our Heavenly Father. Jesus Christ, glorious comeback as the eternal priest and universal King, the truth of life is our mother of graces, a celebration of being born again, cleansing our hearts to mature our holiness is what our Holy Trinity yearn for all of us. Born again, born again, born again. Sir Lady of Mediatrix, born again, born again, born again. Sir Lady of Peace, born again, born again, born again. Sir Lady of Good Voyage. So come aboard and be a Melchizedek priest of God Most High in reverence to our loving Mother God. Praise be the Lord.